I was just reading one article a few days ago ki how are urban Indians battling loneliness in the city through intimate shows and बैठक्स, and it was talking about कि दिल्ली में especially और सारे काफी बड़े शहरों में intimate performing setups बहुत बढ़ गए हैं. Apart from like big auditoriums, because pandemic में you couldn't hire a big auditorium, so you shifted to a
Absolutely.
smaller space. I did really liking those intimate बैठक्स, and because Trilog was doing so many of those intimate बैठक्स, how was your experience? Because I think you started building your studio around in the pandemic.
Yes. After the first wave, I think, if I'm not wrong, or maybe before that, but then we shut down for a while again when there was lockdown. So
Okay.
yes, that was exactly the time when 2018 we started the Trilog company, and then we started looking for a space. So that was exactly the time when we were developing our studio also. So the idea of having a studio was exactly what you're saying, to just have intimacy with our
Yeah.
audience, to have those intimate bethaks which we were not seeing more often.
Yeah.
And in my experience, I've seen people coming to us and saying that once they witness an intimate performance, they don't like going back to big auditoriums. Or
Yeah.
even if they go back, they miss that experience. They miss that personal touch, because also people say that in an intimate setting, they feel like they're a part of the performance. They're not like an audience,
Yeah.
but they're not watching it, they're experiencing it. So that subtle difference, I think, is there to just feel. You can't really express it, but I get it what they're saying. And also, as an artist, it was a very big change to go from a big stage to an intimate setup. So we are
How was
used to performing in big auditoriums, right? Yeah. So when we came up with an idea of doing a dance performance in a studio, in a very small studio for 30 people, the first thing was, ये कैसे हो सकता है? How is this possible? Because stage was the only platform that we thought dance could happen in. Because we've not seen that time जब पहले बैठक होती,
exactly?
महफिलें हम बड़े हुए हैं स्टेज पे परफॉर्म कर, तो पहले तो बहुत लगा कि ये नहीं हो सकता. Where is the space?
Hmm.
I felt very restricted. But once you start performing in an intimate setting, it's addictive. It's like you don't get that connection with your audience anywhere else. And it's beautiful because you really have to feel your performance completely so that you can connect with the audience, because in an intimate setup you can't really cheat, or you can't really fake an emotion. You can't do anything because the audience is so close. They know that you're faking it. They know that you are not feeling it. Yeah. So be it theater, be it dancing, you have to really work on your craft to connect with an audience in an intimate setup. So as an artist, my growth was exactly during those pandemic years or after that, when we started running our studio and started doing intimate shows. Just 30 people, 35 people, very small setup. But that experience, when I think of it, it looks larger than life somehow.
Yeah.
Because as
Yeah.
an artist, you feel so grand somehow, you feel like you are being looked at so closely, and your performance is not external, it's internal. So you're performing with a lot of immersion. You're immersed in your performance completely. So that feels very good.
Did it change your relationship with the audience completely? Like जैसे हम स्टेज पे होते हैं तो हमको कई बार हमारी ऑडियंस दिखती भी नहीं है because lights होते हैं, it's all black in front of
Yeah.
us. But
Yeah.
you're so receptive to what the audience is. It's like almost in the air you can feel what the audience is feeling.
Yes, absolutely. We've made so many friends from our audiences, and you hardly do that when you're in a big auditorium, because there's a barrier. Somehow people come, they watch you, they leave, or maybe they come to the green room, they give you compliments, and they give you feedback, and they leave. But in an intimate setup, when the performance finishes, you are in the same space, you're having chai, you're having coffee, you're interacting with the artist, it's so enriching. And then the audience really, whatever the audience says, it's really from their heart, because they have been a part of the performance. And most of our performances are interactive.